Raising livestock is a demanding but rewarding way of life. From the quiet hours of dawn to the bustling activity of the market, every step requires dedication and skill. Today, we take a closer look at the journey of a hardworking farmer as they tend to their animals and bring them to the Leon Livestock Auction Market. As early as 12 a.m., Manong Edwin wakes up and ready to begin his day. He carefully prepares his livestock for transport, ensuring they are in the best condition for the auction market. By 1 a.m., he and his team pull their stocks, making their way to the Livestock Auction Market, or LOM. Selling livestock is not just about bringing animals to market. It's about careful selection and preparation to get the best price possible. Sellers and buyers start arriving, eager to engage in the bustling trade. Each livestock is carefully weighed on the digital weighing scale. After weighing, every animal is assigned a number, making it easier for buyers to track their chosen stocks.
Pag-abot isang baboy, before siya ikiluhon, gina-check anay ang iyang barangay certification. And then, hindi wa isang kiluhay nga matabo unless nga waay pa maabot ang buyer at saka while nga nagakilo katanaw man ang mga farmers nga kung sa diin mabal-an nila kung pila ang kilos ang ilang nga baboy. After that, ang aton nga buyer makuha siya sang cash tickets o ang weighing slip nga sa diin dira ma-indicate ang kilos ang iyang baboy para nga i-presentar sang tag-iya sa buyer nga amo na ang kilo sang iyang baboy para nga ibayaran na.
The livestock class and weight are recorded for transparency and accuracy. At a livestock auction market, each stock is meticulously inspected by potential buyers. Every detail, from size and weight to overall health, is carefully evaluated. As the bidding process unfolds, buyers compete for the best livestock. In the end, the highest bidder secures the stock, ensuring a fair and competitive marketplace.
Ang advantage kid ma'am kay man sang before ang mga baboy yawan kami ka pangita kang amon nga nga kung sino ang mabakal usually ga sa tinda lang ang dalaganan ka mo gadlagan ang tagiya sa market then ipa sa manok iyaw. Unlike subong kung may auction market may mga buyer kita halin sa sagwa sa mga city kag sa iban pang lugar nga nagakadto diri, so hapos lang gid ang pagbaligya sang baboy ka mga tao diri sa Leon, usually mga member. Ang LEPA kag ang mga member ya nagapasalamat gid sa LOM kay man naging matawhay, naging mahapos amon kung paano namon ibaligya ang amon mga baboy kag ang presyo hindi kami mapirdi kang presyo sa pagbaligya ka baboy. Kay man sa una, ang baligyaan ay pamata lang, tapos kisa hindi pa sigurad ang kung pila kiloya. So, kung sumaon mo kisa sa may kapital mo ngagin, kisa perdi ka pa. Unlike may LOM, makakita ka mga buyer nga alin sagwa, kag hindi masyadong mag-stagnant amon baboy diri sa Leon. Kay siyempre may mga buyer kita kay kung ang tinda lang hindi man kasarangid kung kay sa pagkadamo ka hag-racer diri sa Leon.
A long-standing tradition of livestock trading thrives in Leon, Iloilo. Established in 1978, the once named as Carabawan has evolved into a vital economic hub, the Leon Livestock Auction Market, supporting farmers, traders, and the local government. From January to July 2024, the Leon Livestock Auction Market recorded a total transaction value of 177,740,900 pesos. The highest revenue came from hogs, contributing 78.1 million pesos, followed by cattle at 62.2 million pesos and carabao at 33.6 million pesos. This continuous economic activity highlights the market's vital role in sustaining local livelihoods and regional agricultural growth.
Just to give you the idea, Leon before, we have challenges facing in the management of our livestock auction market. Well, one of those is the limited facilities that includes the shed, and then the problem on drainage, and then the manual weighing, of course. Before, we've been doing that. And also, the limited access of the traders, because of lack of promotion. And we have a long duration of transactions during that time. It took the personnel around 10 hours, just to complete the transaction, or just to just to give the services to our clients as well, and also a limited revenue. I am appealing, nagapangabay ako sa mga pumuluyo natin sa Banwakang Leon that buruligan natin dyan. Not only nga naga-benefit kita, kang atin nga pangabuhian di dyan, kag ang atin lang gid kadya ginalantaw nga mas makabulig pagid sa economy kang atin pumuluyo. Kami naman di dyan sa munisipyo lokal kang Banwakang Leon, rest assured that we will do our best as mayor of this town. Himuon naman ang tanan-tanan para mas ma-improve pagid kag kilalahan ang Banwakang Leon, not only the summer capital of the province of Iloilo and the fruit and vegetable basket of Iloilo, but the livestock hub of the province and the whole Philippines.
From a small trading post at the back of the municipal hall to a thriving livestock auction market in Barangay Talakungan, Leon Livestock Auction Market has continuously adapted to the needs of farmers and traders. With the support of the Japan 2KR project and local government investments, the market has undergone major upgrades.
Part of the consideration why ang Leon was considered as a livestock hub is the population of the livestock in Leon. Actually, if we try to look at statistics, would say that municipalities of Leon and Cabanatuan are the major livestock producers in the province of Iloilo.
Sa tulad, makita natin ang mga improved infrastructures, makita natin ang ating administration building, ko na siya, maka-cater na siya, damo ang numbers ng mga clients natin nga maka-transact, rain or shine man tana. We have our fences nga maka-secure kang atin nga mga clients and our livestocks. And makita man natin sa tulad, sementado rin ang ating selling area kag ang mga dalan. So very comfortable rin mag-transact ang atin nga mga farmers and traders sa ating livestock market. Secondly, ang atin nga improved nga animal shed. So makita natin nga mas organized rin ang ating livestock market. Naka-separate ang mga large ruminants natin ng cattle kang carabao. So may area mata na nga allotted for hogs, for goats, and for our poultry. Sa tulad, we're very fortunate nga may digital lang kita, and calibrated nga weighing scale kung sa diin na mas transparent tantana in terms kilo, makita ra gid farmer once kilo na sapat, kag si mismo si buyer makita naman kung pila gid kilo ka sapat. And we have also our improved system of operation. So kauna gaumpisa kami alas 4 pero nag-end kami alas 2, alauna. But for now, nag-umpisa kami alas 4, nagatapos kami 7 to 8 a.m. So why rin so part yung mga transactions, so mga baka na lang nabilin dyan, subject for pick up rin kang mga buyers. So makita natin nga may improve gid sa transactions, it's because ang mga documents na kinanglanan ni buyer or ni farmer, di dyan na mismo may issue sa livestock market natin. So di dyan ang presence kang atin ng Municipal Treasurer's Office sa pag-issue kang mga certification, di dyan natin ng Municipal Agriculture Office, ang atin nga PNP nga mag-issue. So one-stop shop na tana, di dyan available mismo sa atin. Ang atin nga improvements sa atin livestock market, dako nga bulig sa atin nga mga livestock raisers at the same time sa atin mga buyers. Sa atin livestock raisers, halos tanan tulad nga ginadara dito sa livestock market atin mabakal rin. It's because ang mga buyers damo ra na ganyat nga magkadto sa Leon para magbakal. So and then luwas sa taga Leon damo ra man nga mga adjacent municipalities or even iban nga mga provinces nagakadto dito para idigya lagi ng baka nila. So mas healthy rin subong ang transaction sa ating livestock market is because damo ra ng supply at the same time damo ra man ng buyer. Okay. So in terms of sustainability, ang ating local government unit nag-appropriate gid kang budget para sa maintenance ng operation kag facilities kang ating nga livestock market. So this is why every year may mga development kita nga makita sa ating livestock market. And nag-focus man ang ating mayor sa mga personnel kung saan diin nag-provide batang kita diyan ka plantilla na mag-operate o mag-handle kang ating nga livestock market. So we have 5 personnels nga na-assign di dyan and under the sa management kang Municipal Agriculture Office. Yearly, nakakanda kami kang assessment together kang atong tanang stakeholders, nakakanda kami meetings paghinunanan with our traders, with our buyers, with our livestock raisers kung paano bagid ma-improve ang sistema kag management kang atong livestock market.
With over 8.7 million pesos in funding from both the Department of Agriculture and local government unit, the Leon LOM now offers organized trading, enhanced security, and modern facilities that ensure fair and efficient transactions.
So primarily, ang amon nga office is in charge of the collection of all income related to the auction market. So may mga employees kami, may mga personnel kami nga naka-field dito kag sila ang nagapang issue sang ga-receive sang payments and naga-issue sang resibo or cash tickets sa mga payers or mga clients natin dito sa market. At the same time, kami man ang naga-record kang income, kag naga-monitor ka income, kag kami man ang naga-deposit ka income sa banks natin. So, for auction market, nag-collect kita kang entrance fees sa mga nagasulod nga mga ruminants, ang ginatawag ng dano. And then, nag-collect man kita kang weighing fee. So, kung magamit sa nakakiluhan para magpakilo, nag-collect man kita. Also, yardage and transport fees. So, mag-in and out gani ang mga ang mga baboy or baka, nag-collect kita kang transport fees nanda or transport clearance. And may man kita, ownership, kung magpa-transfer ka ownership, may ginabayad man. And kung kung magpa-certificate of ownership, kag also magpa-transfer kang ownership, may ginabayad man. So ang ownership kag transfer mostly regulated by Bureau of Treasury. So may share si Banwa, may share man si Bureau of Treasury. Sa amo lang ra nga sa transfer of ownership lang ka mga cattle natin. So firstly, ang sa transparency, what we did was to put tarpaulin nga signage outside in the LOM. Kung makakadto ka mo dito, you will see. So nakabutang dito specifically kung pila ang ginasukot for entrance fees, pila ang ginasukot for transfer, para transparent sa mga pumuluyo kung pila ila bayad dapat. Para ma-avoid ang mga overcharging. And also, gina-remind din naman ng mga nag-post man kami dito nga always ask for receipt. So, this is to ensure nga kung anong ginabayad ka mga farmers or mga pumuluyo, nagasulod kita na sa may kang banwa, sa pundo ka banwa, para magamit natin sa mga future man nga mga projects. So, ang part ng aton nga income sa aton nga auction market is exclusively used sa market man mismo, so why ta na naga-impon, but part of it naga-impon ta na sa general fund ka munisipyo. So for example, mga entrance fees kag mga kilo, ang makolek naman di dyan, ginabalik gid naman to reinvest sa may auction market natin. And also, aside from that, ang mga pundo nga halin sa national nga ma-receive natin, ginaano man natin to improve ang atin nga auction market.
Once a stock is sold, it is transferred to the holding shed while necessary documents are processed. Before finalizing the sale, sellers and buyers must complete all required certificates, permits, and clearances. These include the disinfection clearance, animal health care certificate, and a local transport permit. Additionally, necessary fees such as the permit fee, municipal business tax, garbage collection fees, and environmental fees must be settled. With all documents and payments in order, the transactions are completed, ensuring a seamless and efficient livestock trading process at the LOM. Behind every thriving livestock market is a team working tirelessly to keep things running smoothly. From ensuring fair trade to helping farmers and buyers connect, the Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division of the Department of Agriculture Western Visayas plays a key role in making the livestock auction market a success.
So we have different livestock auction markets region-wide, and dalawa sa ating mga auction markets or LOMs are being modernized with the help of the Department of Agriculture, AMAD, BAI, and of course with the help of Japan to KR. Isa nga dito yung Leon auction market at isa yung Sibalom auction market sa Antique. So we are regularly conducting progress monitoring ng ating project, given it's a very important trading center for our livestock animals, especially dito sa probinsya ng Iloilo. And as our indicator sa kanilang performance, we are regularly monitoring the transactions, yung volume ng transactions natin sa auction market. We are also coordinating with BAI when it comes to animal welfare. So kailangan nating i-secure na yung mga animals or livestock na dinadala sa ating auction markets are proper yung handling. So, isa yun sa ating sinisecure. So, part yun ng ating capacity enhancement sa ating mga management team or staff doon sa LGU Leon. Merong tayong allocation when it comes to repair and maintenance. So, kailangan natin i-repair and maintain ang ating system, the facility, because it's a shared facility for our livestock industry players, especially to our farmers, na may mapupuntahan silang tamang auction market to give them the right compensation and pricing sa kanilang animals. So we're also securing with our AMAD that we're conducting annual assessment and monitoring and planning workshop with our auction markets region-wide. So Leon is really playing a pivotal role when it comes to the livestock industry. So they already established their role as one of the most important trading centers. So, hindi lang Leon Municipality or ang nag-trade dira. So, neighboring municipalities are coming there because isa sa mga advantage natin, as what I've mentioned, is yung transparency when it comes to the weighing sa aton nga mga livestock na pinapasok sa ating auction markets.
The Leon Livestock Auction Market is where farmers and buyers meet, ensuring fair trade and sustainable livestock production.
Salamat sa mga sa DE, sa MAU, sa mga personnel dyan, na kung ano man problema sa baka, kung masakit, kung purgahan, kag anong problema naman niya, daw na tawan man natin aksyon, kag suportado man da. Kung problema, ang amo niya gani nga dapat nga ben nga gisapay mirma naman, agto pa munisipyo para sa pulis, pitlaga may aday pulis ni agtor niya naman kay para biyay la for shipment available super okay, way problema man naman diyang baka ang tao sige man gyapon nga balik siya.
As the Leon Livestock Auction Market continues to grow, it remains a pillar of economic resilience and agricultural progress in Iloilo. Through a collaboration, modernization, and the commitment to sustainable farming, it serves as an inspiring model for other communities in the country.